Today I will teach you how to make homemade soda. From now on you will no longer spend money on soda. It's simple, fast and very tasty. Before I teach you, I want to know what city you are from watching this video. And to prepare our soda, we will need only 3 ingredients. Soda water, oranges, because we are going to make an orange soda. To make this little bottle of soda, you need 2 oranges. And some sugar. But if you're thinking that I'm going to make orange juice and mix it with soda water, you are very wrong. Soda has 2 basic ingredients, which is water mixed with carbon dioxide and syrup. And the syrup has the flavor of your choice. So let's make an orange syrup first. Take a little bit of the zest of the orange. I scraped it with a knife. And put it in a pan. Then you squeeze the 2 oranges, and also put them in the pan. You separate more or less half a cup of sugar, and add it together with the other ingredients in the pan. Put it on low heat and boil until the liquid is half the volume it was before. Then you take it out and let it cool. After it has cooled, you can put it in the refrigerator. Psalm 40:1 I have put all my hope in the Lord. He has stooped down to me and heard my cry for help. The interpretation of Psalm 40 is very simple. It reveals to us that we must know how to wait, to have patience in all things, because when we rush through life, many things start to go wrong. Now it's time for the truth. We have the orange soda syrup, and I'm going to use half of it to make a soda glass. And then just mix it with the sparkling water, which I left in the refrigerator, and it is already chilled. The flavor of this soda is very similar to the soda you buy in the supermarket. The advantage is that it has no preservative, no coloring, and no other ingredients of this type. But the amount of sugar, as you may have noticed, is very similar to the regular soda. See how easy and how fast it is. And it is delicious. There are many advantages to choosing this homemade soda instead of the regular one. I hope you have enjoyed being here with us. Thank you for your company. A kiss and see you in the next video. Bye.